Welcome to our complete guide on connecting Blockdag to your Binance wallet. Let's start by understanding what Blockdag technology is and why it's significant in the crypto ecosystem. Next, let's take a look at Binance Wallet. It's user-friendly with features like easy asset management, trading capabilities, and enhanced security. Before we dive into the setup process, let's discuss the prerequisites you need to connect Blockdag to your Binance wallet. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Binance wallet for Blockdag integration effectively. Now, let's learn how to obtain your Blockdag wallet address, which you will need to connect. It's time to connect your Blockdag wallet to your Binance wallet. Let's go through the steps together. Once connected, it's essential to verify the connection and implement security measures. Let's go ahead and do that. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, here's how to troubleshoot the most common problems. To manage and secure your Blockdag assets, it's important to follow these best practices. Thank you for watching our guide on connecting Blockdag to your Binance wallet. For more information and resources, check the links below.